Rejuvenate your skin by 20 years for just $5. Mix this with Vaseline. A licensed esthetician with 25 years of experience shares the secret Vaseline skincare method. Without expensive cosmetics or procedures, you can achieve healthy, glowing skin using Vaseline, a simple, affordable, and common product. In this guide, I'll share not only how to apply it, but also the scientific principles behind it, plus my own secret skincare tips that I've never shared with anyone before. The amazing secret hidden in Vaseline. Many people think of Vaseline as just a moisturizer, but its real power lies in occlusion. Vaseline creates a strong protective barrier on the skin's surface, preventing up to 98% of water loss from the skin. This shield protects against dry air and external irritants, while providing the best environment for the skin to heal and regenerate itself. As a result, skin naturally becomes softer and smoother, and the skin barrier is strengthened. Finding the perfect combination for your skin recipes. For dry skin and wrinkle improvement, Vaseline plus Madecassol ointment, made in Korea. Mix 3 teaspoons Vaseline plus 1 teaspoon Madecassol ointment. You can prepare it in advance and store for use. Benefits. Madecassol ointment is well known for its powerful healing ingredient, Centella asiatica extract, gotu kola. This natural extract promotes wound healing, supports skin regeneration, and helps prevent and improve scars, even for small cuts, scrapes, or skin irritation. Madecassol protects and restores the skin effectively. Vaseline then locks it in, providing deep moisture. It instantly restores glow to dull, dry skin, especially recommended for skin over 40. Note: be sure to purchase the Madecassol ointment shown in the photo. There are different types of Madecassol, so choose one without antibiotics. This is absolutely not an advertisement. For calming and soothing sensitive skin, Vaseline plus aloe gel. Mix 1/2 teaspoon Vaseline plus 1/2 teaspoon aloe gel. Prepare fresh each time you need it. Benefits. Aloe gel's soothing effect reduces irritation, while Vaseline prevents water loss. This combo is gentle enough for sensitive or acne-prone skin. It also helps with inflammation in skin over 60. Proper use precautions for Vaseline skincare. Even the best ingredients can be harmful if used incorrectly. When to use. Ideally, apply at night only. For very dry skin, daytime use is okay, but remember, Vaseline can trap dust or impurities, so make sure to cleanse thoroughly in the evening. Order of application. After cleansing, apply your usual moisturizer or lotion first, then spread a thin layer of the Vaseline mixture on top. Remember, Vaseline is not a water supplier but a water sealer, so you must provide hydration first. If used in the morning, always follow with sunscreen. Where to apply, not just the face, but also the neck, where wrinkles often appear. Amount. Scoop out a small amount with a Q-tip, rub between your palms, then apply thinly. Patch test. First test a small amount on the inside of your arm to check for allergic reactions. Hygiene. Always wash your hands before preparing the mixture, and avoid applying directly on open wounds. Remember, breaking the myth of expensive means better. What truly matters is consistent and proper care. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.